In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sell Preview tool on Coinbase. This is a clear step-by-step walkthrough to help you sell crypto confidently, using Coinbase's preview sell screen, so you know exactly what you'll receive before you commit. First, sign into your Coinbase account on the website or the mobile app. On the right side of the screen, open the Buy and Sell panel. This is where you'll set up your sale. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell, type in the amount, either in crypto units or your local currency, and select the destination wallet for the proceeds. If you plan to move the money to your bank soon, sending it to your local currency balance is usually the fastest route. Quick note before we go further. If you need Coinbase, I've placed the official website link and the app download link right at the top of the description, so you can get to the correct place quickly and safely. Now, click Preview Sell. This screen is your quote. Take a moment to review the asset, the amount, the current price, the fees, and the final amount you'll receive. Coinbase charges a fee for selling, and it's clearly displayed here. You may also notice a spread, the difference between the market price and your selling price, which is built into the quote. The preview updates in real time, so if you wait a bit, the price can change. If the quote times out or looks stale, refresh to get a new one before proceeding. If you're selling to your local currency balance, your funds typically appear instantly, which means you can move them to a linked bank account right away, subject to your bank's availability. This instant access is one of the reasons the preview is so useful. You can see the exact cash you'll have available. When everything looks right, click Sell Now to finalize. You'll see a confirmation once the sale is complete. From there, you can keep the funds in your currency balance or cash out to your bank whenever you're ready. If you're using Coinbase Advanced and want more control or potentially lower fees, navigate to Advanced Trade. Open the Sell tab, choose your market, and select your order type. Market sells immediately at the best available price, while Limit lets you set a specific price and only sells if the market reaches it. Review the detailed preview, order book, fees, and totals, then place the order when you're comfortable. That's it. Double check the preview every time, refresh if needed, and confirm only when you're satisfied. Thanks for watching.